What is up, everybody? What is up? Happy Tuesday. Welcome to my channel. Terencio Freeman here, aka Crypto T, also known as companion of many. And if this happens to be your very first time here on my channel, make sure that you do smash that subscribe button, smash the likes, and make sure that you bang that get notifications bell so that way you do stay updated as I upload these new videos here on my channel. Now, of course, many of you know that I do cryptocurrency, and of course I do share some shenanigans also here on my channel as well recently. Most of my videos, if not all of my videos on my channel, have to do with cryptocurrency, helping people build their crypto portfolio, build passive income in crypto, and of course scale, right? It's all about scalability. So if you've noticed in some of the recent videos that I've uploaded, I've shared a Binance link, which is an exchange where you would be able to buy Bitcoin and various other cryptocurrencies as well. So I did say buy Holochain, Holotoken, also buy BitTorrent. Now, some of you may not know what I'm talking about. Some of you may not even be involved in cryptocurrency. But again, as I've mentioned before, if you are interested, please leave me a comment down below and I will definitely help you in any way, shape, form that I can to help build your crypto portfolio. But I want to talk about Holochain and how important it is for you guys to definitely get your hands on this token. Holochain is not a blockchain, right? It's like thinking out of the blockchain. It's an eccentric chain, an eccentric agent chain, in other words. It's like you own your very own data, which is very important. Now, there has been some great positive news in the cryptocurrency space in regards to Holochain and how much potential it has. So I want to share this video with you guys, all of you guys that are out there involved in cryptocurrency. And again, if you are not, make sure that if you are looking forward into getting involved, that you do DM me here on YouTube or leave me a comment down below and I will definitely reach back out to you. So what I want to do is not waste any more of your time. So I want to go through this quick article because there's been some great news in regards to Holochain, Holotoken, which is the symbol of the Holochain is HOT. And you can look that up on Binance, which I will leave you guys the link in the description below. So it says here that the Holo price needs to reach 34 Satoshi prior to extending uptrend. Now, I've had a great last 4 weeks with Holochain, up 300+%. So I've definitely have gained having this cryptocurrency. And a great friend of mine, John, had mentioned it to me back in early January, early January, and I started to look into it. Mind you, I didn't even know anything about this cryptocurrency, the ICO that it had back in March, April, I would dare say, of 2018. And I wish I had done so because a lot of people definitely had built some capital gains having this cryptocurrency. But of course, it's never too late, ladies and gentlemen, right? It's still early, and we all know that cryptocurrency is still early in its infancy, right? So here in this article, it says that a lot of interesting things are happening in the world of cryptocurrency, especially when Bitcoin moves up or down in a decisive manner. It would appear all market it would appear all markets show signs of life, either for better or worse, which is true. If you've been in cryptocurrency as long as I have, and you went through the bull market in late 2017, you guys know what that means, okay, for better or worse. So the Holo price is going through some sort of revival right now, which is rather impressive, all things considered. These gains have been expected for some time now, after a bit of a wobbly week. So it's been sideways for the last 2 weeks, but it's been maintaining between 30 to 35 Satoshis, okay? And right now it's under a penny, guys, and it's going to hit a penny very soon, I would dare say, and even at 2 to 3 cents, which is far-fetched right now for me to say, but I would dare say by the fourth quarter of this year, you would definitely want to have Holochain in your crypto portfolio. So it says Holo price tries to move up again. Now, this article came out in February 9th, today being the 12th, not too far apart, and it's still running sideways, and it's about 34 Satoshis, 33 Satoshis right now, last time I looked. So it says the past few weeks have been pretty interesting for the Holo market in many different ways, despite some very solid gains several weeks ago. That's what I was talking about, the 300% that I've gained having this cryptocurrency. And of course, gaining more Holochain as I trade, right? It also, it appeared as if HOT, which is the symbol, HOT, okay, for Holochain, Holotoken, would remain bullish for quite some time to come. This has not been the case after all, primarily because of a correction kicking in shortly after. After hitting 46 Satoshi, which is early last week, that's what it hit. And of course, you know me, well, most of you don't know me physically, but in this space, I tend to pay attention like very, very, what's the word I'm looking for? I can't believe I forgot the word. But anyway, I pay attention and focus on what's going on in the crypto sphere, right? So it says here that HOT went back to 27 in a very quick succession. And of course, people were taking in their profits, people that were in the ICO, people that had bought early. And of course, you have to take profit, right? So in the past 24 hours, there has been somewhat of a revival for HOT, H-O-T. Although the current price still sits at just 32 Satoshi, that is a net 2.37%. 2.37% increase over the past few hours. Now, remind you, this is on February 9th. They just had an Ask Me Anything video where you can go over to Holo on YouTube to the channel and you can check out that video as well. I'll leave you guys a link for that so you guys can definitely check it out. I don't want you guys to miss out, and I don't want you guys to be left behind who are in cryptocurrency and maybe have overlooked Holochain. I think now's the time for you guys to definitely dive into it. There is also a 10% increase in USD value, which mainly stems forth from Bitcoin's gains. What is rather interesting is how Holo continues to lose value over Ethereum, has a new 1.86% drop has been noted. That is rather uncommon, but there isn't much one can do about it at this stage. On social media, it would appear there are some interesting discussions involving Holo taking place. First of all, a new YouTube video has surfaced explaining the key differences between Holo, the currency, and Holochain, the technology. While both are interlinked in different ways, they can also succeed separately from one another. Knowing what one is dealing with is always advised prior to making any financial commitment, which is very true. You definitely want to do your due diligence, research, read, and of course, embrace the information, absorb it, so that way you can make better decisions when you do financial commitments, financial investments, and that's with anything in life, okay? So what is the difference between Holo, at Holo, and Holochain, question mark, at Mary Camacho? Provided a great explanation in our last AMA, Ask Me Anything. You can check it out here. I'll leave you guys a link down below, okay? So this, by way of February 8th, 2019, says that when it comes to looking at the actual price chart, Holo is seemingly not in the safe zone as of yet. To reclaim that status, this altcoin will need effectively push through to 34 Satoshi once again, and it has been doing that the last 24 hours. Okay, today being the 12th. It may prove to be somewhat difficult to effectively do so, especially when considering how this is the range at which a lot of the traders will begin taking profits. The coming days will prove to be crucial in many different ways for Holo by the look of things. Okay, and then over here at Hague, it says that has become somewhat common in the cryptocurrency world as of late. Memes seem to make a world go round first and foremost. Joe Martin is confident Holo will be making its way to the moon fairly quickly, although it remains to be seen when will come next for this. What will come next for this particular altcoin in the coming hours? A push to the moon? Not quite. Not. I don't know what's wrong with me today. A push to the moon might not necessarily happen anytime soon for obvious reasons. It says hashtag hot, stretching its legs a little. So you guys can definitely check this out. And of course, in conclusion, it says for the time being, it seems everyone is swept up in the overall bullish momentum, given how the cryptocurrency market has evolved in the past 11 months. And I would dare say this has been the longest bear market in cryptocurrency history, that I've seen. But as far as I can tell, definitely longer than the previous one that happened in early 2017, I would dare say, going into late 2017. And then, of course, the beginning of 2018 all the way through the whole year of 2018. It hasn't been really bullish. There's been some uptrends here and there, but not much. Okay, if you look at the coin market cap, I believe it's at $120 billion currently, and you can expect a bit of a drop coming up, I would dare say, before the next bull run happens. But again, that's just my opinion. As a disclaimer, I'm not here to give you financial advice. I'm just here sharing the wealth, sharing some content, and of course, giving people, well, not giving people, but showing people the opportunity of why it's important to have cryptocurrency has something you would need when it comes to your financial portfolio. Okay, besides doing stocks, of course, you want to have some gold as well. I'm going to be doing a video on a cryptocurrency that is backed by a gold 24K bullion, and I want to share it with you guys as well. I've been doing great with it. I've been with the company since 2014, and I think it's time I start sharing that as well, because we all know that gold is definitely important to have as well. And when you have a cryptocurrency that is backed by gold, physical gold, guys, that is massive. All right, so with that being said, to finish off here, it says that given how the cryptocurrency markets have evolved in the past 11 months, that isn't overly difficult to explain either. After so much bearish pressure, any short-term green candle will be well received. How this will play out for Holo in the long run remains rather unclear. There is a lot of positive momentum, but there will be some profit taking along the way as well. And you guys want to be a part of that profit taking. So again, I'll leave you guys the links to this article. Of course, the link to the video over on the Holo channel, and you guys make sure you subscribe to the Holo channel so that way you guys stay updated, okay, as they upload new videos there. And also, I'll leave you guys the link to Binance so that way you guys can start accumulating cryptocurrency. So by way of grabbing some Bitcoin, remember, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy, $100, $200, $300 worth, but you definitely have to start investing in some cryptocurrency now, guys. You don't want to be left behind, and you don't want to do it when the mass adoption already happens. You want to be ahead of the crowd. You want to beat the crowd. By the time the mass adoption happens, think about how many people are going to try to get in through the crack of a window. It's going to be a whole bunched up people in the front. You want to be way ahead of that pack, way ahead of the wolf pack, right? So with that being said, thank you guys for being here. And again, as a disclaimer, I'm not here as a financial advisor, crypto advisor, telling you where to invest. I'm just giving you guys some insight on what to look out for. All right, so many blessings to each and every one of you guys. Make sure that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash the likes, also bang that get notifications bell so that way you guys stay updated as I upload new videos here on my channel. Many blessings to each and every one of you guys, and I appreciate each and every one of my fellow subscribers here on my channel. Make sure that if you guys have any questions in regards to cryptocurrency, please comment down below and I will definitely reply. As you see, I do reply and I am an engager. I love engaging with people and building relationships with people as well, especially in the cryptocurrency space. So with that being said, many blessings, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.